Hi, I'm Becky, Very's nail technician. With Christmas getting ever closer, I thought it would be a great time to show you how to get your nails ready for the festive season. First, prep the nails by pushing back the cuticles and filing them. Then apply a base coat. Paint all 10 nails with one coat of your favourite French pink polish. Next, paint the tips with 2 coats of red polish. Using a dotting tool and red polish on foil, create a Santa hat shape on your ring finger. For extra sparkle, add red glitter polish. You can also use a dotting tool and white polish to create the white trim detail on the Santa hat. Now apply a top coat and finish with dry drops. And there you have it, perfect nails for the most magical time of the year.